behind you.
It's like gardening apple. You touch the apple so you can hear them.
It's tomato.
Take the apple away.
It's a tomato!
There goes the apple.
I'm sorry.
That was me. I'm sorry. Ooh, look, it moved. Give me a kiss.
Put your face next to it. Put your face next to his.
No, I'm afraid it's gonna like go.
I'll do it. Not that close.
Like, take a picture with it. Trying to do my face.
So gross.
Read my voice.
What if it's like tongue is like so long, it's like comes out? What if that whole thing is out of
What if it just gets real big and it's like a monster when it happens?
Ew! Oh, you SOB. Ew! Don't do that. Let me jump on it.
Don't give them vibrations and it's gonna move.
Oh my god, I just heard something creepy. You know, like in that one movie how like there's this little bug in it, and then she looks at it and it gets all big and it's like, what if it did that like each time he said, oh, that'd be great.
Oh.
I want to move. I want to like crawl. This is kind of cool. Touching corn. This one's kind of cool, but like. To the hospital. Dude, what if you like touch a corn and it's half? I'm afraid to touch a corn. What if they like fall off? Depends. Well, crap. What if it like turns like the whole corn or something? It's like corn. I did it. I told somebody this morning.